Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In Arabic language, we have different letters with the same exit point. It means that we have same point of pronunciation for different letters. In this video, I got Jeem, Sheen, Ya, three letters with the same point of pronunciation, which is middle of the tongue and middle of the palate. Got it? Here in this picture you can see middle of the tongue. We are using middle of the tongue. Jeem, Sheen, Ya, middle of the tongue and middle of the palate. Jeem, Sheen, Ya, here middle of our mouth, here Jeem, Sheen, this one is Ya, this one is more clear. Jeem, Sheen, Ya, Jeem, Sheen, Ya, same point. I hope you got this. So do practice Jeem, Sheen, and Ya with middle of the tongue and middle of the palate. Jazakumullah khair.